share some of the products which I'm really loving, and the first one is I recently got this one. It is from Avani. This is not sponsored. They do not know that I'm making this video.
Okay, I was not planning to talk about this yet, but I have been using Avani's vitamin E and C serum for a while now, and I need to share you something. You guys know I have a really sensitive skin, and I've tried so many brightening products that either irritated my skin or just did nothing. But this one, I actually started noticing a difference.
You see, Avani Nepal ko hair massage oil, and this one is rosemary oil. So हामीले rosemary oil को बारेमा त सुनि नै रहेको हुन्छ हैन. It's really good for hair, especially
I'm Archie Sharma Khatiwada, the co-founder of Avani Nepal. Avani Nepal was started by me and my best friend Megha Agrawal. So from a very young age, we wanted to start a natural skin hair care brand. And after us completing our bachelor's abroad, we decided to come back to start a brand in Nepal. So we started Avani during COVID, so we started in 2020. The idea of Avani Nepal, it started with, we saw a big gap in the market for natural skincare brand, which was manufactured and was a Nepali brand. So there were a lot of skincare hair care products in Nepal, but most of them were imported, or even if the ones that weren't imported were not easily accessible in Nepal. After doing a research for almost a year, we decided to launch with around 10 products, and now we've launched around 60 products. We've actually started exporting to India, which is a very good news for us, and we've also started to export to China, and we've worked with Japanese company called Okada and have done their production. So these have been some milestones for our company, which has helped us grow as a brand as well. Over the years, we've come to this stage where sustainable products does not always need to be expensive, and because sustainable products are so in need right now, as a brand we've really focused on using sustainable products. Obviously, using a plastic bottle is way cheaper than using like high quality glass bottles, but there are so many other benefits that we as a brand want to focus on. We want to focus on protecting the environment. We want to focus on creating a brand that's like eco-friendly, like we've mentioned before, natural, that uses very ethically sourced raw materials. Avani, we're a women-based company. We've actually really worked on trying to uplift women, trying to employ more women, by giving them trainings. A message to the aspiring businesswoman would be to never give up. It might be difficult to start, but once you start, even if there are difficulties, slowly and surely it will pass. So even though it might take some time to reach your goals, I think you need to be persistent, hardworking, and positive, so that at the end of the day, wherever you reach will always be a step above where you are at the moment.